How to delete monster or Foundit account. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily delete your monster jobs or Foundit jobs account using the Foundit app or monster app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up the app, and then once you're in the app you have to tap on more here in the bottom right corner, and then tap on settings, and here in settings first tap on profile visibility and tap here to turn off your profile visibility, and now go back and here tap on contact visibility and then tap here to turn it off. Now go back and then here tap on manage subscriptions, and now here if you want you can turn off these job notifications, profile related notifications, career advice and tips, promotions and special offers, and then here in the bottom you will see deactivate account. So tap here and it will take you to this page. So now here you can select the option you want, and then after selecting scroll down till the bottom of the page and tap on deactivate account, and now your account is deactivated and you are logged out. So this is how you can delete or deactivate your Foundit or monster job account. Thanks for watching.